Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. Now we are proceeding with the diagnostic process. First, we need to complete the OPD billing. Additionally, in the special search section, you must enter the token number. All the existing data will be automatically filled in. After that, you can proceed to provide any required services. In this case, I'm selecting CVC as the service. Once this is done, I will save the record. After saving, you can see the voucher, which can be printed if needed. Next, we move to the diagnostic process. Here, you will see the testimony. Click on it and then proceed to collect the samples. You will also have the option to print the barcode. Once completed, close the window, refresh and verify the data. After refreshing, the next step is enter the values such as 6 and 10. Save the changes and refresh again. Now, we move on to the approval process. Select the test, check if the testing is uncertain and click to the approve the record. Once the test is approved, refresh the page again. Now you can print the report. Next, go to the diagnostic section for lab report uploading. Select the testimony and upload the investigation report. Once successfully uploaded, refresh the page. Now, you will see the pending to submit section where the testimony appears. Select retry and refresh the page again. After refreshing, the submission process begins. Select retry once more. After submitting, you will see the status as waiting for acknowledgement. Select the option, retry and refresh again. Upon refreshing, you will see a success message with numbers like 147 or 176. Finally, after one last refresh, you can verify the status for the first March diagnostic, which will show as successful. You can now check the details on the ABDM PHR app.
Thank you for watching.